A federal appeals court in San Francisco heard arguments tonight for and against President Donald Trump's controversial travel ban. A government lawyer argued the president was acting within his power and asked for a stay after a federal judge temporarily blocked the order last week. But an attorney for states fighting the ban says it's done more harm.
This is a traditional national security judgment that is assigned to the political branches and the president. And the court's order immediately altered that.
We had students and faculty at our state universities who were stranded overseas. We had families that were separated. We had longtime residents who could not travel overseas to visit their families without knowing that they would be able to come back. We had lost tax revenue.
A ruling could come as early as tomorrow. Now, besides this afternoon's court hearing, it was another big day in Washington with the Senate narrowly confirming Betsy DeVos as Education Secretary. KCTV5's Emily Sinovic breaks it down and explains what's ahead.
Regardless of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals ruling, the president does not plan to give up this fight. He says he could take it to the Supreme Court.
Is it going to go to the Supreme Court, you think?
Good, and we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't have to. It's common sense.
Meanwhile, President Trump's cabinet nominees are slowly getting through. Betsy DeVos is now the Secretary of Education by one vote, the tie-breaking vote from the vice president. This set off reaction on both sides of the aisle.
Every mother and father in America should worry about Betsy DeVos's lack of dedication, almost negative feelings about public education.
So yes, Ms. DeVos is going to shake things up a little bit, but more importantly, she's going to be part of this effort to return power to parents and teachers.
And it is important to note that this is the first time a vice president has ever had to break a Senate confirmation vote tie with his vote, because it was only 3 years ago the Democrats changed the rules, changing the number of confirmation votes needed from 60 to 51. Now, Wednesday, we expect another confirmation vote. Jeff Sessions, the nominee for Attorney General. I'm Emily Sinovic, KCTV5 News.